Hey gang, welcome to the wrap-up. Starting off with our P2 news, we had 2 new YouTube videos come out this week. The first one was for a guitar strap. We used an extra wide Trilobite weave. So if you're interested in how to make a guitar strap, we now have a tutorial on our YouTube channel. We also had a guitar pick bracelet, which was made out of leather cord and a guitar pick. If you play guitar, both of those videos would be very interesting to you. I would highly recommend checking them out. Our P2 blog this week highlights the importance of learning new skills to advance your paracord crafting. If you want to read that, you can follow the link in the description of this video. Our paracord spotlight this week is on Practical Paracords. He makes bracelets using all sorts of charms and different things. I really enjoy the pop culture references he uses. I've linked his Facebook in the description of this video, but he can be found on all of the social medias. So now on to what we wrapped today. For our musical episode, we wrapped this trombone. We wrapped it in glow-in-the-dark paracord. If you want to see some footage of that, that will be playing right now. And now, for what we're going to wrap next week. This nice spool. We're gonna put some rope on it, gonna make a nice cat scratching post. We'll see you then. Playing. There it is. Oh wow, that's just a little guy. Nice maneuvers.